Good morning, all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to your EVS online class. Myself, Miss Rupal, your EVS teacher. Students, in the previous video, I explained you the third lesson of your EVS subject, and the name of the lesson is Animal Shelters. And today I want to share the notes of this lesson with you. But first of all, we'll take a small recap. Means we will revise the lesson in short, and after that I'll give you the notes. So students, what we have learned from the lesson? We learned that animals need a shelter to protect themselves from the cold, wind, sun and rain. Like human beings, animals also need a shelter to protect themselves from the cold, wind, sun and rain. हमारे जैसे एनिमल्स को भी ठंडी, गर्मी, तेज़ हवा, बारिश ये सब से बचने के लिए क्या चाहिए? शेल्टर. Some animals build their own shelters. कोई प्राणी है जो अपना घर, अपना शेल्टर खुद बनाते हैं. Some animals look for ready shelters in their surroundings. कोई प्राणी ऐसी जगह को अपना शेल्टर बनाते हैं जहाँ पे उनकी सारी ज़रूरतें पूरी हो. We build shelters for the animals we keep. So, for the domestic animals, for the animals which we kept, we build their shelters. जो डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स है जिन्हें हम लोग पालते हैं, वो एनिमल्स के शेल्टर कौन बनाता है? हम लोग. Students, now let's get started with the notes of the lesson. So, all of you be ready with your combined book number 1 and remove page number 102 and start writing along with me. Okay students? Now question number 1. Observe the answer the questions given below. A. The cat is lying in wait for someone. Who is that? बिल्ली किसका इंतज़ार कर रही है? So, the answer is mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. बिल्ली किसका इंतज़ार कर रही है? चूहे का. B. What has frightened the crows? Why are they trying to frighten the cat away? कौवों को कौन डरा रहा है और वो बिल्ली को डरा के उसे क्यों भगाना चाहते हैं? So, the answer is The cat has frightened the crows so that crows can protect their eggs. Question number 2. Solve the quiz given below. A. What do birds use to build their nest? Birds means पंछी अपना घोंसला बनाने के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं? So the answer is the birds use things like grass, straw and twigs to build nest. Now question 2b. Which animals live in burrows? Name any two. You have to write names of any two animals that live in burrows. So the answer is rat and mice live in burrows. Now question 2c. Where do the hens live? Who builds their shelter? मुर्गी कहाँ पे रहती है और उनका शेल्टर, उनका घर कौन बनाता है? So the answer is the hens live in a chicken coop or hen house. We humans build their shelter. जो मुर्गी का घर है उसे बोलेंगे कूप या hen house. और वो कौन बनाते हैं? we humans मतलब हम लोग. Now question number 3. Name the shelters of the animals mentioned below. Now here some animals' name are given and you have to write the name of their shelter. Okay? Now A. Birds. So the shelter of birds is called a nest. N-E-S-T, nest. Now B. Honeybees. So where do honeybees live? In honeycombs. HONEYCOMBS. मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. Now C. Pigeons. So pigeons live in hollows. HOLLOWS. D. Rats oblique mice. So rats and mice lives in burrow. 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 Now E. Tigers. Tigers live in caves. 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 F. Bats. So bats live in tall trees. Bats मतलब चमगादड़. वो कहाँ पे रहते हैं? In tall trees. TALLTREES. Now students, remove page number 103. G1. HENS, hens. So, the shelter of hens is called chicken coop. CHICKEN, chicken, COOP, coop, chicken coop. Or you can write hen house also. Then H, cows. The cows live in cowshed. COWSHED, cowshed. And last one, I, horse. So horse live in stable. STABLE, stable. Now question number 4. Fill in the blanks. 1. The nests of birds are not all dash. So the answer is same. SAME, same. Or you can write alike also. Okay. Now question number 2. The dash bird is smaller than the sparrow. कौन सा बर्ड है जो चिड़िया से भी छोटा है? सो द आंसर इज टेलर बर्ड. TAILOR, टेलर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Some animals do not make any dash to build shelters for themselves. So the answer is efforts. EFFORTS, efforts. Now question number 4. Tigers, leopards and hyenas live in caves in mountains. So in the dash you have to write hyenas, HYENAS. Now question number 5. The shelter made for a horse is called a dash. So in the dash you have to write stable, STABLE, stable. Now summative assessment. Question number 1. Define. A, shelter. So you have to write the definition of a shelter. So the answer is a safe place where one is protected from any danger. A place where one is protected from the sun, rain, wind, etc. Now question number 2. Give reason. A. Why do we need houses? हमें घर की ज़रूरत क्यों है? So the answer is we need houses to protect ourselves from cold weather, gusty winds, scorching sun, heavy rains. A house also protect us from thefts. Thefts मतलब चोर. Understood all of you? Okay. Now students, remove page number 104. Question number 3. Think and tell. A. In the picture below, match the animals and their shelters. Okay, so the first picture is honeybees. So you have to match with honeycombs. Third number picture. Then second picture is of a sparrow. So you have to match it with fourth number picture, nest. Sparrow lives in a nest. Now third picture is of a horse. So horse live in stable. So you have to match with first number picture. And lastly, lion, tiger. So you have to match it with second number picture, caves. Okay. Now question 3b. Some doves and some pigeons have left the jungles and have come to live in areas where people live. Some mice have also done so. What could be the reasons for that? So the answer is, the reason would be they are not getting enough food in the forest. Hence, they come in search of food. Now students, remove page number 105. Question 3c. What materials do ants use to make ant hills? So the answer is, the ant use mud to make ant hills. Now question number 4. Answer the following questions. A. What does the tailor bird use to stitch its nest? Answer. The tailor bird selects a plant with bigger leaves and builds its nest by stitching the leaves together. Okay students. Now question 4b. What makes it difficult for animals that eat eggs to reach a weaver bird's nest? Answer. The weaver bird chooses a thorny tree which has some branches hanging over water. It builds its nest on the highest of these branches. Now question 4c. How do birds make their nets soft and warm? Answer. Birds use cotton, wool and piece of thread and string. This makes the nest soft and warm inside. Now question 4d. Why do mice and rats not enter houses built with cement? चूहे सीमेंट से बने हुए घर में एंटर क्यों नहीं होते हैं, दाखिल क्यों नहीं होते हैं? सो द आंसर इज, mice and rats live in the wall or under the floors. They cannot dig holes into cement construction. सीमेंट से बने हुए घरों को वो उसमें खुदाई नहीं कर सकते, उसमें होल्स नहीं बना सकते, छेद नहीं बना सकते, इसलिए वो सीमेंट से बने हुए घरों में एंट्री नहीं करते हैं. नाउ क्वेश्चन 4E. Where do bats find shelter besides dark caverns? Answer. Bats live in tall trees or in old deserted tumble down buildings. बैट्स मतलब चमगादड़. वो गुफाओं के अलावा और कौन सी जगह पे रहते हैं? सो बैट्स लिव इन टॉल ट्रीज, जो ऊंचे पेड़ रहते हैं वहाँ पे वो रहते हैं, नहीं तो पुरानी जो सुनसान इमारत है उसे वो अपना शेल्टर बनाते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, here we have completed the notes of this lesson number 3, shelters of animals. So students, kindly complete your combined book and keep it ready. Goodbye students, take care.